Take your village volcano out of my kitchen. What did I do?
They said no rich man would marry a chaotic village girl like me. So when his mother asked me to cook, I decided to risk everything.
What are you doing this, girl? The rice water no one dry, so I spread them for sun. God, see person 9 months. I go sit down. Let me see how you go marry with this nonsense behavior. Mama, if my father married you, then I can marry too. How you want take marry with this your work cooking? Mama, God go give me my own man. Person will go love me like this. Which man will marry person wey no sabi cook? Apple no dey fall far from tree. Mama, you remember?
Hello, fine girl. What's your name?
My name is Chaos.
You didn't whine me. What kind of name is that?
Go and ask my mother.
I like you. I want to marry you.
Oga, I no sabi cook oh.
My dear, I'm not the food type. Besides, I have a chef.
What God cannot do does not exist.
You are funny. I like you, honestly.
My mother needs to hear this. Mama.
Wait, I need your number.
Mama, I don't see who go marry me. You dey dream. Which film you watch? African man marry woman wey no sabi cook. Impossible. But my father married you now. Come out for my face now before I give you backhand slap. I learned from you. Our wife, you're welcome, my dear. Thank you, ma.
Mama, have you eaten?
No, the chef went on a sick leave.
That's serious.
This
Thank God
is
our
where
wife
the
is here. She'll
disaster
cook something
began.
for us to eat. Cook! God, if he is my husband, let this soup cooperate. Why will she ask me to cook, God? My village people don't want to make I marry. It's just okra soup. I must marry him. This destiny must be fulfilled. Stir. Now I know why they call me Chaos. What are you doing? Mama, you said I should cook, so I obeyed. Why is there firewood in my imported kitchen? My kitchen! Mama, don't disturb the ancestral recipe. Take your village volcano out of my kitchen. What did I do? Mama, your son must marry me. I need to prove myself. Look at the mad woman you brought into my house. What's happening? What's happening at your there? What's happening? I love crazy women, Mama. God forbid this evil I'm seeing. What God has joined together, even this food cannot put asunder. Food is ready, my future husband. And no, my son will not eat this rubbish.
Mama, cancel the wedding. Cancel every other wedding. I'm marrying this one.
Never hide your madness. Your husband may be inside it. And no!